Best tennis rackets are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of, and put up 5 lists of the best tennis rackets from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 tennis racket, lightweight graphite frame, 4 1/8 grip, 100 SQ.IN head, ideal for all skill levels. Elevate your game with the Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 tennis racket, designed for players seeking the perfect balance of power, control, and maneuverability. Crafted with high-quality graphite for both the frame and shaft, this racket offers exceptional strength and durability while maintaining a lightweight feel of just 285 grams, making it ideal for fast swings and extended play without fatigue. Featuring a 100 SQ.IN head in 27-inch length, the EZONE 100L delivers an optimal sweet spot that enhances precision and power, giving both intermediate and advanced players an edge on the court. Its 4 1/8 grip size ensures comfortable handling, reducing strain and allowing for superior spin control and accuracy in every shot. Whether you're volleying at the net, smashing powerful serves, or engaging in long baseline rallies, this racket provides excellent responsiveness and agility. Its all-skill level design makes it perfect for adult players looking to improve their game while enjoying maximum comfort and performance. The Yonex EZONE 100L 2022 combines innovative technology with timeless design, ensuring durability, consistent playability, and enhanced ball feel. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for both competitive matches and casual play. Step onto the court with confidence and experience unmatched precision, control, and speed with the Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 tennis racket, your ultimate partner for elevating every shot. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen, strung with 16G Babolat Sin gut, 4 1/8 inches grip, white string, power and precision for all skill levels. Take your game to the next level with the Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen, engineered for players seeking a perfect combination of power, control, and comfort. This racket comes pre-strung with 16G Babolat Sin gut strings at mid-range tension, delivering consistent ball response, enhanced spin, and precise control for both recreational and competitive play. Designed with a lightweight and aerodynamic frame, the Pure Drive 110 allows effortless swing speed while maintaining stability for powerful ground strokes and precise volleys. Its oversized 110 SQ.IN head provides a larger sweet spot, making it easier to generate power even on off-center hits. The 27-inch length and 4 1/8 inches grip ensure a comfortable, secure hold, reducing fatigue during long rallies and giving you confidence in every shot. Crafted for versatility, this racket suits all skill levels, from intermediate players looking to improve their technique to advanced players seeking extra power without sacrificing control. Its innovative frame technology absorbs vibration, providing a comfortable feel while protecting your arm during intense play. With its sleek white string design and modern aesthetics, the Babolat Pure Drive 110 is not just a high-performance racket, it's a statement of style on the court. Lightweight, powerful, and responsive, it delivers unmatched precision, spin, and control to help you dominate every rally. Step onto the court with confidence and experience the winning combination of power, comfort, and accuracy with the Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, graphite frame, 4 3/8 inches grip, 289G, advanced player performance. Experience unmatched spin, power, and precision with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, designed for advanced players who demand the ultimate performance on the court. Engineered in collaboration with Rafael Nadal, this racket combines lightweight graphite construction with aerodynamic frame technology to enhance swing speed, control, and ball spin. Weighing just 289 grams, the pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen offers exceptional maneuverability without sacrificing stability. Its 4 3/8 inches grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, allowing players to maintain control during fast-paced rallies and powerful strokes. The graphite frame and shaft provide a perfect balance of strength and flexibility, giving advanced players the precision needed to execute topspin-heavy shots and aggressive baseline play. This racket's innovative aerodynamic frame maximizes racket head speed, enabling explosive power while maintaining accuracy. Its design supports advanced techniques like heavy topspin, drop shots, and sharp angles, making it ideal for competitive matches and tournament play. Tailored for adult advanced players, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen combines durability, responsiveness, and modern aesthetics to elevate your game. The sleek design and high-performance materials make it not only a powerful tool but also a statement piece on the court. Step onto the court with confidence and dominate every rally with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen tennis racket, crafted for players who demand precision, control, and unparalleled spin with every shot. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 unstrung tennis racket, braided graphite and basalt, grip size 3-4, 305G, advanced performance. Elevate your game with the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 unstrung tennis racket, designed for advanced players who demand precision, power, and control. This high-performance racket features a braided graphite and basalt frame combined with a braided graphite and basalt shaft, delivering exceptional stability and responsiveness on every shot. Weighing 305 grams, the Blade 98 provides a perfect balance between maneuverability and power, allowing for aggressive baseline play without sacrificing comfort. The 16x19 string pattern creates a large sweet spot for optimal spin generation, while the 98SQ.IN head size offers a precise hitting area that enhances control for advanced techniques, including heavy topspin and sharp angles. Its grip size options 1-4, with grip size 3 at 4 3/8 inches, ensure a comfortable and secure hold, giving players confidence during long rallies and high-intensity matches. Constructed with professional-grade materials, the Wilson Blade 98 V9 combines durability with advanced performance. The unstrung design allows players to customize string type and tension to match their personal style, whether it's maximizing spin, power, or control. Perfect for adult advanced players, this racket is engineered to support competitive play, tournament performance, and intense practice sessions. Its sleek design and innovative construction make it not only a high-performing tool but also a visually striking addition to your tennis gear. Dominate the court with precision, power, and control using the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 unstrung tennis racket, crafted for players who demand nothing but the best in performance and feel. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket, graphite 360 plus frame, 4.5 inches grip, 11.1 ounces, all skill levels. Unleash your full potential on the court with the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket, engineered for players of all skill levels who demand a perfect combination of speed, control, and comfort. Featuring a graphite 360 plus frame and shaft, this racket delivers exceptional stiffness, stability, and energy transfer, allowing every shot to be precise and powerful. Weighing just 11.1 ounces, the Speed MP offers effortless maneuverability, making it easy to generate racket head speed for fast, aggressive strokes while maintaining accuracy. Its 4.5 inches grip provides a secure, comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during long rallies and ensuring confident handling during serves, volleys, and baseline shots. Designed with versatility in mind, the Head 2022 Speed MP is perfect for players ranging from intermediate to advanced, offering a responsive feel for every type of stroke. Its medium plus head size provides a generous sweet spot that maximizes spin and control without compromising power, making it ideal for competitive matches and recreational play alike. Crafted with modern technology and high-quality materials, this racket combines durability with performance. The Graphite 360 Plus construction enhances ball feel and shock absorption, giving you a comfortable and precise experience every time you step onto the court. Whether you're improving your technique or competing at a high level, the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is your ultimate partner for accuracy, speed, and control, helping you dominate every rally with confidence and style.